Hey, so here we are preparing Roberta's pizza dough. We'll be making pizza tomorrow and compare 3 pizzas. I'll show you the ingredients for our dough first. What we have here is a 00 pizza flour. It's called it's a special pizza flour, and that's what's recommended for this dough. We have 153 grams of this flour, and then regular, I'm using bread flour. You can use all-purpose flour as well, another 153 grams. I'm using my measurement tool here unfortunately, the sizes are given in grams in this recipe, but 153 grams is essentially 1 cup full of flour. So you can add 1 cup of 00 flour or pizza flour and 1 cup of bread flour or all-purpose flour for this mix. And then we add 8 grams of fine sea salt or 2 teaspoons of salt. In our yeast, we add 202 grams of water. That is less than a cup of water. And you add 2 grams of active yeast or 4 grams of fresh yeast. You first mix the yeast and the water and add about 1 teaspoon of olive oil into the liquid. So the yeast, the olive oil, and the warm water, and you mix them in a cup. You mix your flour and your salt. Add the water and mix it for about 3 minutes. This is not kneading, just mixing. So we'll let it sit for about 15 minutes. Now we'll be kneading our dough. Let's put some flour on our surface, and our hands will be sticky. So we take our dough on a flat, clean surface. So look at the motion. We do this. Turn it again like this. It will be sticky, as I said. Do this motion. We repeat it if necessary. So we cut our dough into 2. Continue the same motion. Knead them so that they have only one center. And then we'll bag it and put it in the fridge for 24 hours. Put them in Ziploc bags and refrigerate. Tomorrow we'll make the pizzas.